Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make a mango strawberry smoothie. Real good. Let's get started. So, I'll give you a blender. I got a Ninja, which is awesome. So, the first ingredient you need is 1 cup of strawberry yogurt. That's about 1 cup. What I'm using is this. This is what it looks like. And then pour in half a cup of milk, 1 mango, 1 cup of strawberries, and finally 1 banana. Then you put the lid on, and then blend this on high for about 60 seconds. Or if you have the blender, you press 2 for blend, and go. Alright, so you press blend. There you go. Wow. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe for a strawberry mango smoothie. Let's give it a taste. Wow, that is refreshing, and it's very healthy. Trust me. So, thank you guys so much for watching another cooking video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you all next Wednesday for a new recipe. Peace out.